Hello children, welcome to another session of EVS. Today we are going to do the exercises of lesson number 12, Plant World. Did you all read the lesson once again? I hope you have grasped properly everything, whatever I taught you last week. So let's move on to the exercises. Tick the correct option. You need to tick the correct option. 3 options are given. Dash have thick stems. Do you all know? Trees have thick stems or herbs or climbers. So, trees. Trees have thick stems. These are trees. So, these are the stems of the trees. So, trees have thick stems. Dash grow along the ground. So, what grow along the ground? Creepers. Don't get confused between the creepers and the climbers. Climbers need support to grow, whereas creepers grow along the ground. Creepers like pumpkin, watermelon, all these are creepers. They grow along the ground, whereas climbers are money plant, all these kind of plants which need support to grow. So the correct answer is creepers. Dash plants store food in their stem. So which is that plant? Potato. Potato stores food in its stem. Plants. Potato plants. Plants make their air fresh. Plants make the air fresh. So they don't make it dirty or unclean. They make it fresh. That's why you are told to plant more and more trees or plants. Next, B part is write true or false for the following statements. Children, write the correct spelling of true or false. You people write the wrong spellings of true and false. So, the spelling is already given here. True, false. Then also you people can't see. You need to see from here and write. If it is not given, then also learn it by heart. We get fruits from plants. Tell me whether you get fruits from plants or not. Yes, it is true. You get them. Wood is used to make furniture. That is also true. Climbers have very strong stem. Do they have very strong stem? No, not at all. Trees have got very strong stem. So it is false. Leaves hold plants family. Leaves hold plants firmly to the soil. It is false. Leaves don't hold. Roots hold the plants firmly to the soil. Now C is match the following. You have to match this side with this side. So I have written the answers over here. You can also write the answers like this. Banyan is a tree. Don't call it banyan. Many of you call it like that. So it's wrong pronunciation. Call it banyan tree. It is a banyan tree. Next is rose. Rose is a shrub. Banana, apple, mango, fruits. Mint and grass. Mint is, I told you what it is. Pudina. Banyan is bargad. In Hindi you call them like that. Mint and grass. Herbs. Money plant. Climber. Money plant is a climber. You have to write like this only. In front of this side, correct answer has to be written. Now next page. This one. Just read. Ajay made a list of few things he saw in his house. Circle the things that he got from plants. So whatever things you get from plants, you have to circle them. Clear? This is wooden almirah. So wood we get from plant. So circle it. It's a hanky or tall, I think. So circle that also. Mango. Yes, we are getting this fruit also from plants. Vegetable, tomato. Clear. So circle this also. Oil also you get from plant. So circle it. But the rest of the things 1, 2, 3, 4 you get from these three you get from animals. Milk, eggs, honey and water so you get from rivers. So clear? Is it clear to you? Now let's move on to this question. Answer in 1 or 2 sentences to be done in the notebook. This question you have to do in your notebook. Are you people completing the work simultaneously in your notebooks? Be regular in your work and write the date also when you did this work. So let us see the question answers. What is the question number 1? What is the difference between a climber and a creeper? So what is the difference between these two? A climber needs support to grow, whereas a creeper grows along the ground. Understood? Question number 2. Why are plants important for us? Plants are important for us because they give us food, paper, rubber, wood, oil and medicines. Clear? Question number 3 is, what are the objectives of Van Mahotsava? Why is Van Mahotsava celebrated? What is the use of celebrating it? So its objectives are to provide shade and shelter to animals, and next to encourage care for trees. To encourage care for trees means you have to take care of the trees and you have to grow more and more plants. I hope the lesson is clear to you. Children, memorize the full chapter and I'll be taking short tests when we finish both the chapters. Next chapter is Animal World. After that, I'll start taking your class tests. Understood? So keep learning them regularly. Goodbye.